Welcome to summertime in Alberta. Snow. Anyway, we're here at camp. We're going to make up some bannock bread. So this was prepared at home. A little bit of flour, baking powder, salt, and just carry it dry like this. We'll add some water to it and mix up the dough. It gets sticky, so we'll mix it up in the bag, and that way we've got absolutely no cleanup required afterwards.
No, she's doing good because it was going this way and then it was going that way. But it was briefly this way, and I just closed my eyes and then
Post up the recipe in the description here below. It'll be over on the blog as well at some point. It's an easy enough recipe. You can even throw some nuts or seeds in there, whatever you want to mix in with your bread. You can make a raisin bannock bread if you wanted to, some raisins, some spices. So we got that mixed up. You'll need your stove and a good frying pan and a little bit of oil. Cool. Okay, so we'll get a little bit of oil in our pan.
Like common sense matters. Please, thank you. Holding the door open. Whatever. I laugh. Our 15-year-old, our youngest son, if he's getting in the vehicle with us and I'm going, he will come and open my door for me. My youngest is learning to drive, so I was taking him out there to Dad's
Fire up the stove and get our pan warming up. Okay, oil's hot enough now. It's starting to spit a little bit. So we will throw our dough in and let it cook.
You're either proud of them or that
You want to cook this over a medium heat.
You gotta do it sincerely. Sincerely. No, well, that was me and Maria's little side trip.
Okay, so we've been cooking for a few minutes here, and the edges are starting to look cooked up, and that's a good indication that it's about ready to flip. There's what it should look like when it's done. So we'll let the bottom side finish cooking there for a few minutes and then enjoy some nice warm bannock bread. Okay, a few more minutes on the bottom side and the bannock bread is pretty much ready to go. Cut into it here to take a piece, take a look at the piece, and it's cooked all the way through. So we'll pull that off the heat and sit back with a bowl of soup and enjoy.